So if you're looking for a portable light, you don't have to install. It is easy to install because it does have a clip. It is solar powered and it has motion detection. Then you might want to look at this. This has all those features and it's super easy to use. You can see here right on the front, we have a lot of LEDs. We actually have 115 LEDs. It does have a nice clip right here. We've got rubber on the top and the bottom. So this way, if you want to put it, say, maybe on some gutters, you can do that. It's not going to scratch it. It's got a very strong spring here in the back, so it's going to hold it very well. And it is solar powered. We've got a nice solar panel right up here, so it does charge it to a battery. So it takes right around 6 to 8 hours to charge, and then the runtime is going to be 10 to 12 hours, depending on what mode you have it in. Now, this does have you'll see here, there's a little tab right here. This is actually your motion detection. So depending on the angle that you set this at, it can detect items, people, animals, things like that, up to 26 feet away. We've also got a power button here. Now, when you press that, it actually has 3 different modes. So when you first turn it on, say it was at night, no one's around, it's going to be off. But as soon as someone walks by, it's going to be nice and bright. If you press it again, what it's going to do, it's going to be always at dim. Someone walks by, it's going to get nice and bright. And then after a little bit of time, it's going to go dim again. If you press it one more time, that's going to be your 3rd setting. And it's just going to be dim always, and you're not going to get any motion detective out of it. So that's real great to know that you can have 3 different modes. We've got these nice bright lights. You can take this and put it, whether it's camping, anywhere in the house, it's on the outside of the house. You can put it in trees. You can put it in on a back porch. And with this clip, you can just put it anywhere, what I like about that. So there's no installation necessary. Now, this is made very well. It feels like it has a good weight to it. This is all ABS plastic here. I like that it is lightweight, and you can just put this anywhere at all. I love that we've got all these LEDs. I mean, it's super bright, and it's just easy to use. Hope you found this review helpful.